Hello viewers and crypto community, welcome to my YouTube channel, your destination for early insights into the most exciting and compliant crypto projects. Today we are taking a closer look at Crazy Fox CRFX, a meme-powered crypto with a strong focus on community building, transparent pre-sale mechanics, and social engagement. Whether you are a meme lover, a blockchain enthusiast, or simply exploring new Web3 communities, CRFX is one to watch. Before we delve into the details of the project, I would like to suggest all my viewers, if you are new to my YouTube channel Ami Crypto, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out the update of the further upcoming videos. So dear viewers, keep it in mind, this video is being made only for the information. It must not be considered as financial investment advice. So please do your own research before any investments. Let's jump into the details of the project Crazy Fox. Welcome to the Crazy Fox revolution. So dear viewers, Crazy Fox is a new meme coin built on the Binance Smart Chain, created to bring together humor, community, and creativity in decentralized way. But unlike many meme coins, Crazy Fox is focused on building a real social ecosystem, not just a hype. Its key features are a community-first meme project with global engagement, low-fee, fast transaction on Binance Smart Chain, vibrant and multilingual Telegram groups, multiple pre-sale stages for fair entry pricing, and open and detailed white paper to ensure transparency. So these are the main features of the Crazy Fox. Here we will break down one by one, and here you can get all the details. So all the links have been given in the description. So first of all, how we can join the pre-sale of the Crazy Fox. Getting CRFX token is simple. First of all, you will have to visit the official website of the Crazy Fox, and then you will have to connect your wallet, MetaMask, or any Web3 compatible wallet. Here you can see that I have connected my wallet. So here you can check out the detail about the CRFX pre-sale moon mission starting soon. Then you can select your amount and confirm the transaction, and tokens will be received post launch. Here you can check out that preset investment options are available for ease: 0.1, 0.5, 1.0, and 2.0 BNB, or enter a customer amount. So dear viewers, here you can check mission launch in just 53 days, 7 hours, 13 minutes, and 17 seconds are left, and this pre-sale is going to be end on September 18, 2025. Here you can check that it's stage 3 out of 6, and here you can check up till now 408,000, more than $408,000 have been raised, and 42.5% pre-sale have been completed. So here you can check out the current price, that is 0.007, and the next stage will be 0.008. Here you can check out the further details, that the payment methods are also available. You can make payment with BNB, you can make with Ethereum, you can make with USDT, and here you can check, you can also put quick amounts in BNB: 0.1, 0.5, 1.0, 2.0. So here first of all we will select 1 BNB. So here you can check that if we have 1 BNB, we can buy 111,569 CRFX meme coins. So you can buy it with BNB, you can buy it with Ethereum, you can buy it with USDT. So the payment method is very simple, and here you can check that 2200 holders up till have been recorded, and here you can check the market cap, and here you can also check out the token price progression. So it was stage 1 when its price was 0.005, in stage 2 0.006, in stage 3 0.007, stage 4, stage 5, and stage 6. So you can see the continuous increase in the price. So I think this is a very opportunity for you to be part of this amazing project. And here you can check out the details about the Crazy Fox. Join the wildest community in crypto and discover community driven project Diamond Hands. And here you can also check out its holders, its community members, consisting of more than 50k and 24/7 hours support support, and here you can also check out Diamond Hands, To the Moon, and Crazy Utility. So these are the amazing features of this amazing project. And here you can check out the crazy tokenomics of the project. You can check that pre-sale is 55% and its volume is 550 million tokens for the community pre-sale. And the next one is listing and liquidity, DEX listing and liquidity pool, and its volume is 100 million tokens for the trading launch, and the share of marketing and partnership is 15% and its volume is 150 million tokens for the moon mission. You can check out details, and here you can check out that development share is 10% and its volume is 100 million tokens for building ecosystem, and team advisor share is 10% with the volume of 100 million tokens locked for 12 months. So here you can check out the contract details of the Crazy Fox. You can check out here total supply. Here you can check out the network Binance Smart Chain. You can also view its audit report, and here you can also copy its contract address. So dear viewers, here you can check the Meet Crazy Fox pack, the brilliant minds behind the wildest meme coin revolution. So this is the team of the Crazy Fox, very expert and very experienced team of the Crazy Fox. So here you can check that 4 core team members have been included, and they have 20 plus years combined experience of dealing such projects. And here you can check out that Crazy Fox is giving you 24/7 community support with global presence. So you can also check out the details about the Crazy Fox Galaxy, and here you can check out the partners of the Crazy Fox, big name in the industry. Here you can also check that 15 plus trusted partners and 7 services categories and 50 million plus transactions have been done. And here you can check out that its uptime is 99.9%. So this is the amazing rate, and here you can join the Fox revolution, connect with the wildest crypto community, over 90k plus active foxes. You can check out that their active members are exceeding 90,000, and you can also check out that 2 million messages have been delivered and 100 plus countries Crazy Fox is operating. And here you can check out the links of the Telegram and Twitter communities and TikTok communities of the Crazy Fox. So if you are ready to go to Crazy, join thousands of foxes building the future of meme coins, get exclusive updates, participate in giveaways, and be part of history. You can also join Telegram, and you can also follow on Twitter. Later I will explain. So first of all, I will explain its white paper of the Crazy Fox. So here you can check, this is the white paper of the Crazy Fox, and here you can get out the details. Crazy Fox has released a detailed white paper outlining its vision and tokenomics, roadmap, and security measures. You should read the white paper, learn about the purpose and mission, understand the token allocation and burn mechanism, review the roadmap and future utilities, see how community engagement drives the project forward. Read the white paper and get the details about the Crazy Fox. Links have been given in the description of the video. So now we will discuss about the social media community of the Crazy Fox. So here is the official Twitter page of Crazy Fox. I think all my viewers should follow the Crazy Fox official Twitter page, because you can get instant updates on pre-sale progress and news. You can also get official announcements and partnership alerts, community polls, and meme contests. And here you can also check out transparency directly from the project team. So follow the Crazy Fox on Twitter and be part of this amazing project. And here is the Telegram community of the Crazy Fox. The heart of Crazy Fox is its Telegram community. Here's why you should be part of it. Get real-time updates and announcements, ask questions and get instant support, share memes and participate in global chats, be the first to know about giveaways or token burns, join the global and regional charts, and you should also join the global and regional chats, and their link have been given in the description of the video. So dear viewers, I think you must join the Crazy Fox project, because this is transparent and early stage pre-sale with defined structure, and Crazy Fox brings meme energy into crypto space with a transparent, fair and community focused approach. The pre-sale is still live, but prices will rise in later stages, so now it's a good time to research, connect, and consider participations. All official links are listed in the video description below. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel Ami Crypto, and stay updated on emerging Web3 projects. Thank you for watching the video. See you in next video.